Hey everyone, and welcome back to ELD Devices, your go-to source for trucking insights. I'm Bobby Aield, and today we're talking about the top ELD devices of 2025. Whether you're running a small fleet or managing a nationwide operation, we've got the latest info to help you pick the right ELD for your business. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about Matrack. This one's become a favorite in 2025, especially for smaller and mid-sized fleets. You get free hardware, no contract, and plans starting at just $15 to $20 a month. That includes IFTA reporting, GPS tracking, HOS logs, and DVIRs. It's easy to install, beginner-friendly, and has solid 24/7 customer support. If you're looking for maximum value without the headache of a long-term commitment, this one's hard to beat. Second, we've got Samsara. This one's built for fleets that want it all: AI dash cams, real-time tracking, engine diagnostics, safety scoring, you name it. Pricing starts around $27 to $33 a month plus hardware, and yeah, it does come with a 3-year contract. But if you're running a larger fleet and want advanced tools to manage everything in one place, Samsara's system is tough to top. Coming in third is Motive, formerly known as Keep Truckin'. Motive's a great all-around option, perfect for fleets that need more than just basic compliance but don't want to jump straight into enterprise-level pricing. You get features like IFTA reporting, driver coaching, real-time GPS, and even open API access for custom integrations. It's about $25 a month, and it's used by fleets of all sizes. Number 4 is Garmin eLog. If you're an owner-operator who wants to stay compliant without monthly fees, this one's for you. It's a one-time cost of around $250. Plug it in, pair it with a free Garmin app, and you're good to go. It covers the basics, hours of service logs and DVIRs, but it doesn't have IFTA reporting or extra features. Still, if you want a no-hassle, no-subscription ELD, Garmin's a solid pick. McNally's ELD 50 is still a solid middle ground option. It's easy to use, gives you IFTA diagnostics and everything else you need for compliance, and it runs about $20 to $25 a month. Ideal for small to medium fleets that want something reliable but not overly complex. Number 6 is DashLink by Big Road. It's another simple and dependable option in that same price range. It covers all the basics: HOS, IFTA, DVIRs with a clean, user-friendly app. Great for fleets that just want something that works without all the extras. And finally, there's Verizon Telematics. This one's aimed at larger fleets, especially those already using Verizon's ecosystem. It's got fast GPS, driver scorecards, dash cam support, and full integration with Verizon's fleet platform. It's a premium service, usually $35 or more per vehicle, and it typically comes with a multi-year contract. Powerful tools, but maybe a bit much for smaller operators. So, what's best for your fleet? If you're budget-focused or just getting started, go with Matrack. Want no subscriptions at all? Garmin eLog is perfect for that. Need balance between features and simplicity? McNally or DashLink. Want more tools? Go with Motive. And if you're running a complex enterprise-level fleet, Samsara or Verizon are the way to go. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more trucking tips and tech reviews. And hey, wait, before you pick an ELD, make sure it's the right one. Hit the link in the description for our free quote. It's a quick check that could lead you to a better, budget-friendly choice for your fleet. Don't guess, get the best.